Welcome to Dr. Fact Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about the NUMS 2020 past paper. NUMS 2020 test has been attempted in 2020 October. इस मरतबा कुछ सिंध की जो प्रॉब्लम चल रही है सिंध इंडी टेस्ट के लिए वो ये है कि हर एक स्टूडेंट्स को 2 टेस्ट देने होंगे, मीन्स अटैम्प्ट करने होंगे। नंबर 1 पे एसएमसी के टेस्ट जो सिंध ने पम्स यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू करा है वो देना होगा, एंड नंबर 2 नम्स का जो पीएमसी हमारी अभी जो बहुत बिल्कुल रिसेंटली तौर पे आई है वो भी हमें उसको फॉलो करते हुए नम्स हमें उसका नेशनल मेडिकल कॉलेज का टेस्ट देना होगा, फिर ही आप लोग एप्लीकेबल होंगे इसके लिए एमबीबीएस एंट्री टेस्ट के लिए। So for this, I have a past paper of NUMS 2020 of this year. In this video, I'll provide you the past paper of 2020. Along with that, I will also solve some of the mostly of the question of the bio, along with the physics and chemistry. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Question number 1: in motion of satellites, necessary centripetal force is provided by, means कि centripetal force कौन प्रोवाइड करता है, centripetal force कौन प्रोवाइड करता है मोशन ऑफ सैटेलाइट के अंदर। centripetal force क्या होती है? वो फोर्स जो बॉडी को टूवर्ड द सर्किल अट्रैक्ट करती है, खींच कर रखती है, उसको हम सेंट्रीपिटल कहते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल अपोजिट होती है सेंट्रीफ्यूगल के। ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नो, कूलम्स मैग्नेटिक न्यूक्लियर फोर्स। सो आप इसमें से क्या ऑप्शन लगाएंगे? एंड दैट इज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। ओके, इन रिपल टैंक आप V = F लैम्डा के जरिए ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इजीली तौर पे। द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड टाइम पीरियड इज इक्वल टू, आप बता सकते हैं प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, ट्रफ ऑफ अ वेव। ट्रफ, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग, वन इज द क्रेस्ट एंड अदर इज द क्रेस्ट ट्रफ। क्रेस्ट ट्रफ, क्रेस्ट ट्रफ। वेव का एक होता है क्रेस्ट, दूसरा होता है ट्रफ। अब ये ट्रफ ऑफ द वेव, दिस इज द ट्रफ, दिस इज द क्रेस्ट, दिस इज द ट्रफ। ट्रफ ऑफ द वेव एक्ट एज अ कॉनकेव लेंस, ओके, नॉट अ कॉन्वेक्स, it is a concave lens, and convex mirror means concave lens. They both are opposite to each other, so for that you have to be pretty sure about it, and that is a concave lens. Okay, in Doppler effect, if listener move towards our stationary source, ये बिल्कुल easy questions है, आप you can easily done by yourself. Refrigerator is example of first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics. You can easily solve by only reading the syntax book. ओके, बट इस मरतबा जिस तरीके से कुछ सिनारियो बिल्कुल चेंज है, तो आपको पंजाब अलॉन्ग विद द फेडरल थोड़े से उसके BCQ करें। अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आप उसका सिलेबस कर लें, लेकिन जो MCQs उस बुक के लास्ट में लिखे हुए हैं या जो भी MCQs आपको इस पेपर्स के थ्रू, एंट्री के पेपर के थ्रू मिल रहे हैं, सो काइंडली ये मेरा एक ब्रदरली आपके लिए सजेशन है, काइंडली ज़रूर इन तमाम चीज़ों पर अपना फोकस रखें और क्वेश्चन जितने, बिकॉज यू नो दैट इट्स माई हैशटैग दैट प्रैक्टिस मैक्स perfect. So as you much solve the past MCQs, you will be the most perfect. More MCQs, more perfect. More MCQs, more perfect. So practice MCQs daily, and before the 15 days or 1 month of your test, what you have to do is to solve the 200 plus questions daily from the arbitrary source, from the any source, from the Google, from the every source, from the your sir, from your academy, from whatever the source is, whatever the question is, you have to solve, because you have to become a randomly arrangement, because you want a random that how that your mind is working or not. So be attentive and be conscious. This is a time to be conscious. Okay, so this is, you know that according to the Dr. Fact Tutorial, we are providing you the past paper along with the solution of the mostly physics bio questions along with the chemistry and physics. The rapid escape of air from a bus tower is an example of the bicycle pumps works on the basis of two positive point charges placed 2 meters apart. These are the normal questions, simple question you can solve easily by if you have read the good syllabus. If you have read the good syllabus, if you learn the good techniques, how to solve the question, how to solve the problems. Moving forward, question number 13. The time rate of change of linear momentum is called force. The time rate of change of linear momentum is called force. Okay, question number 14, and that is the question number 14. A 10 Newton force moves a body around a circular path of a radius. It's easy question. 15. 3 kg stone falls from that 20-meter high platform, and this is a V is equal to radical 2g h2 minus h1. This is solved by this formula. The area under force developed force and displacement graph gives us the area under force and displacement. Force and displacement. Area means multiplication. There will be the area, force and displacement. If you force and displacement, then we have work. C 16 is the C. Kilowatt hour is the unit of electric energy, power, momentum, torque, electric energy. Question number 18. The food we eat in one day has about the same energy as you have read. You can easily solve the question. One complete cycle is equal to how many radian? 6 radian or 2 radian or 3 radian. You can easily Google it. It's okay, no problem if you don't. But remember, this is the one of the technique. अगर आपको आज एक क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा, इट्स ओके, कोई मसला नहीं है, लेकिन आपको समझना है और उस क्वेश्चन के लिए अभी से डिटर्मिनेंट हो जाना है. लेकिन ये नहीं हो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम यही क्वेश्चन आपके सामने आए और फिर आप बोलें कि अभी भी मुझे नहीं आ रहा, तो वो आपका फैक्ट होगा. लेकिन अभी ये आपका फैक्ट नहीं है कि आपको फर्स्ट टाइम में नहीं आ रहा. इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉर्मल. हर बंदा को हर क्वेश्चन नहीं आता, ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है हर चीज़ के लिए. रेड लाइट इज यूज इन फोटोग्राफिक डार्क रूम बिकॉज ऑफ द डैश for organic and atomic spectra. The one of the most powerful purpose of Dr. Fike tutorial is to provide you the past paper in PDF form, in video form. Okay, and I will also attach the PDF in subscription in description, so you can easily tag by the clicking on that. Okay, so for the PDF, please click on the description. Question number 32. By increasing the area of 30, you can take the screenshot of this. I am zooming this. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this. Question number 38. The unit of resistivity is ohm. Resistivity, that is change. Sorry, the resistance is ohm, but resistivity is change. Resistivity, I think so that ohm per meter. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3.6 × 10⁻⁶ joule. And 39 ka B. It is a null type resistant device for measuring the potential difference. Galvanometer, potentiometer. You can easily Google this. Okay, I'm not sure about pretty sure about the physics question because I'm a third year student. So you know that I have a great time about after reading the physics. So I'm sorry about that. Chemistry. Yeah, which statement is true about the electron affinity? You can easily, if you have read the good syllabus. That is the question. Isobutyryl phosphate. Practice the question, whatever the source it is, either federal, either NUMS, either Sindh, either KPK or Punjab. It's okay, but you have to solve, because this solvation will provide you the more mindset about the question, that how the question is, how to solve the question, what is the solution of the question, and what is the techniques to solve the question, because every question has a different technique for solution. Okay, so this is the chemistry questions are there. There are the chemistry questions. Charge on 1 kg of electron at question number 92, and that is the, I think for the 9.1. Okay, take a screenshot of this. And English, now the English. Now the biology. Okay, this is are the past paper. Negative feedback mechanism is the characteristic of which class? Which class? A. Class fish, amphibia, epitelia, or mammalia. So mammalia, because humans are also mammals. So humans also provide the negative feedback mechanism. So according to this, mammalia is the best answer. Okay, and I will also attach the key answer keys of this after actually the answer keys has not been showed yet. As soon as it will be out, I will attach with the description. Okay, the function of papillary muscle is 2. Okay, you can easily solve by this, and I'm not pretty sure about the question answers, so wait for the answer keys because today is the 10 October 2020, and the answer key is out to be on the 15, I think. So kindly wait about it. Choose the correct pathway for the flow of blood. Okay, arterial, meta-arterial, thoroughfare channels, capillaries. No. Arterial, thoroughfare channels, meta-arterial, capillaries. No. Thoroughfare channels, no. Meta-arterial, arterial, thoroughfare channel, capillaries. So what's your diagnosis? What's your answer? Is the A, arterial, meta-arterial, thoroughfare channel, capillaries. A, I'm not pretty sure about the A, but I'm something that the A, because this is the meta-arterial and the thoroughfare channel is only described in the syllabus of a past paper of a federal or the national syllabus. Okay, this is not indicated in the Sindh. Okay, so the question are there. Gaseous exchange in the plants takes place through the stomata. Okay, translocation of the organic solutes in plants takes place through, yes, in the blank with the appropriate English questions are there. NAD is an example of N-nicotinamide dinucleotide. B 152 का B है. What will be the number of the nucleotide for protein molecule of about 142 amino acids? Okay, 57, 168, 159. These are the easy question if you have learned the syllabus with the accuracy. 200 questions are there. Okay, so this is all about the NUMS 2020. Okay, NUMS 2020, you have to solve this. This is your brother's suggestion for you. You have to, either you are from the Sindh or Punjab, you have to solve this before any test. Okay, yes. Question of 144. Polystyrol molecules in plasma membrane are present in outer membrane of a phospholipid, inner membrane of phospholipid, both layer of phospholipids, between the bilayer of phospholipids. So I am pretty sure about the between the bilayer of phospholipids. Okay, so thank you so much. Please keep watching Dr. Fact Tutorial. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you so much.